Hey everyone, this is Nourin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. Today we are on the 11th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of an English conversation and suddenly you can't get the right words? Maybe you are stuck, unsure of how to express yourself. Well, you are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a common problem many English learners face: finding the right words at the right time. Whether you are talking with your friends or in a meeting or simply ordering food at a restaurant, this is something that happens to everyone at some point. But don't worry, I'm going to share some tips that can help you speak more confidently without losing the flow. Understanding that it's normal. First, take a few minutes and think about your native language. When you are speaking your native language, do you get stuck in between? Yes, of course, we do many times. But how is your reaction? You just continue, you just use different words or you use such fillers and then continue. Do you panic when you get stuck when you're speaking your native language? Never. Same applies to English language. English is also a language like your native language. It's not different, so it's normal to pause or get stuck in between. It's totally normal to struggle with the right words, even for English native speakers. Even they sometimes hesitate or use, such fillers. So don't be hard on yourself. For example, you are talking about your favorite movie you saw yesterday. You know everything related to that movie. You know the characters, you know the plot, you know the story, you know everything. But you cannot remember the name of that movie. Suddenly you forgot the name of the movie. See, this happens to everyone. The key is not to panic. Expand your vocabulary gradually. One of the most effective ways to find the right words at the right time is to expand your vocabulary. When you have a bigger word bank, it's more easy to choose from different options. During your conversation, it's very easy to choose from those words stored in your bank. How to do it? Start with the words that you need more often, like when you want to order food or when you want to travel, asking for direction, talking about hobbies. Include such words initially. Learn synonyms. Synonyms are the words with similar meanings. Instead of using good always, try to use fantastic, excellent, great, fine, etc. Make it a habit to learn 5 new words every day. This way, your vocabulary will increase steadily and you will be able to express more freely. Let's say you are trying to describe a book you read yesterday. Instead of just saying the book was good, just try saying the book was captivating, interesting, or fascinating. The more words you know, the more easy it is to choose from when you're speaking. This way, you can also show other people that you have very good vocabulary. Use simple sentences when you're stuck. When you can't find the right words, use simple sentences. You don't need complex vocabulary to get your point across. If you are struggling to remember a specific word, try to explain it in different ways. For example, if you can't remember the word umbrella, you can use or you can say like this: the thing used to stay dry when it rains. See, this way you are still communicating the same idea. You are giving the idea clearly. Imagine you are describing a place you visited, a beautiful place. When you are describing about it, you cannot get the word beautiful. You can simply say, it was a place that looked nice and calm. This is an excellent way to get your conversation flowing without stuck. Use filler words and phrases. When you are searching for the right word and you need more time to think, it's okay to use filler words or phrases. When I'm talking to you, many a times I use filler words like the I use or in between. Those are the filler words I use. This helps to maintain the flow of the conversation, and also it gives time to get your thoughts organized. You can think of the perfect word or perfect sentence to speak. Use filler words like etc. Or you can also use phrases like give me a second. What I mean is, it's on the tip of my tongue. These phrases sound more natural and it gives you time to think of the right word. There is a moment for you to recall the word that you want to speak out. Practice active listening. Another important tip is active listening. This means you should listen to the other person while they are talking, which can help you find the right words. By understanding the concept, you can actually think of the right word. Focus on the main idea, like when someone is talking, listen to them carefully. You should be a good listener. This gives you a main idea of the context. You shouldn't be distracted by searching for the right words when someone else is speaking. Pay attention to how others are speaking, the words they are using, the expressions they are using. This can help you use such words and situation in similar situations. If someone is talking about their favorite food and you forgot the word delicious, you might hear them say tasty. And you can use the word tasty when you are speaking. See, it's a connection. You can listen to them and you can grasp the word that you require. You don't always have to push yourself too hard. You can use such simple tricks. These are actually tricks that can help you speak English smoothly, flowing English. Before winding up, I'll give you one more tip. Practice English regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you will become and the more quicker you will get the perfect words in real conversations. To summarize, don't stress upon finding the right words every time you speak. Focus on expanding your vocabulary, practice English regularly, and try to use filler words or phrases when you get stuck. Over time, with more practice and experience, you will naturally become better at choosing the right words at the right time. And that's all about finding the right words at the right time and speaking English in a flow. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was useful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.